Friends, if you have a smartphone, you should have App Lock. Cause App Lock protects your privacy by locking applications, system settings. You can also hide photos and videos in a App Lock vault. You can do secret browsing. You can open Facebook and Twitter account privately. You can hide App Lock. You can create fake cover. And there are lots of features inside App Lock. You can create a total shield to protect your privacy. So friends, I am Shobhi Ghosh from 1 Million Gadgets, and today we are going to check why we should have App Lock in our smartphone. And no need to worry, you will get the application link in the description below. So here we have App Lock. After your first installation, you have to draw an unlock pattern. Then you have to put a security email to enjoy more functions and more security. If in case you have forget your password, then you can reset or recover your account or password. Inside the app, you will get advanced lock system. Here you can lock Play Store, incoming calls, private notification, even the system settings. Below advanced lock, you will get switch lock option. And here you can lock the auto synchronize option, Bluetooth connectivity and Wi-Fi connectivity. Below switch lock option, you will get general lock option, and in general lock you can basically lock default apps and all types of installed apps in your phone. Okay, now let's try to lock the Play Store and the system settings. So you can see from now you can protect your Play Store app with the help of App Lock. Now no one can install or uninstall app from Play Store. Even App Lock can protect your system settings too. And as I have said, you can also lock all types of installed apps. That means you can protect your messaging apps and protect your chats and privacy from unknown person. App Lock is meant to protect your privacy, not only locking system settings or installed apps. In App Lock, you can protect your photos and videos in App Lock Vault. And it's very simple, just move to Vault, then tap on the plus icon and select any photos and videos from your gallery and move it to your App Lock Vault. So the selected photos and videos will be protected in your App Lock Vault and they will not be highlighted in your smartphone gallery. And you know there is a very simple way to do this. Just move to gallery and open any photo you want to hide, then tap on the share icon and share it to App Lock Vault. It will directly protect your photo in your App Lock Vault. In Chamber, you will get some interesting options. Here you will get incognito browser, private SNS and intruder selfie. Incognito browser means here you can do secret browsing. Here you can privately browse any website and save that website as bookmark. Even you can download anything and save that download file in incognito browser. So that means in incognito browser you can secretly browse anything, no one can check your browsing history and you can keep safe. In private SNS, you can privately open Twitter account, Facebook account, Google Plus account and LinkedIn account. Though you have a separate Facebook or Twitter app outside, but it's a good function that in App Lock you can privately open a separate account in Facebook or Twitter in private SNS. Okay, now let's check what is intruder selfie. If someone tries to unlock the locked app with wrong pattern or wrong password, and when you get back to your smartphone and open that locked app with right password, you can check that selfie of that intruder. I mean, if you activate the intruder selfie option, you can check that selfie of the person who is trying to unlock your locked app. So it's a very helpful function. So definitely if you install App Lock, you must activate this intruder selfie option. In Protect, you will get option for security. Under security, you will get unlock settings and security settings. Then in General, you will get option for power saving mode, and if you enable this power saving mode, it can decrease 50% of power usage. Then comes the most secure option is advanced protection. And if you install App Lock, just enable this advanced protection. If the advanced protection is enabled, no one can uninstall or kill App Lock without password. In Magic, you will get option to hide App Lock, and this option is very helpful. If you enable this hide App Lock option, it will hide the App Lock app from home screen, even from the app drawer. But as an App Lock user, if you hide the App Lock app, then you can only find the app by dialing #1234 in your smartphone dialer. Here also you get option for cover. That means if you enable this cover option, you can apply cover to improve security. Here you can apply fake fingerprint cover, or you can apply fake cover like unfortunately app lock has stopped. So you can easily fool anyone by fingerprint or unfortunately app lock has stopped. So that's pretty much it, friend. I hope you have enjoyed this video and go and install the app. The app link is in the description. And if you have liked this video, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and obviously hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next video. So tata friends, bye bye, have a nice day.